Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope good. So I'm Dr. Yogeshwari and today is the 1st of October, which is known to be the International Day of Older Persons. So this is the 30th anniversary of this date and we celebrate it to honor our old people. So 2020 is all about COVID-19. And we all have been saying that COVID has had an effect on nearly everything. Our social life, work life, education, economy, everything. But just pause and think about your old people today. Since the start of this pandemic, WHO and governments all across the globe advise people above 60 and those with other health related conditions to stay at home, because they were at a high risk to catch the virus. So since the beginning they have been at home. They would be having their daily lives, daily routines, which is affected now. They might be lonely. They do not have Instagram, they do not use Facebook, they do not use WhatsApp mostly. So you are all they have. What I would advise you today is that you all must talk to your grandparents or your parents regularly on phone, and if you're living together, please spend time with them. Don't let them be alone through this pandemic. I would say you can do many things together. Talk to them, let them tell you their stories, how their youth was, about their experiences. Believe me, they have a lot to share with you, and that would be useful for you too. So let them speak, hear them out. Watch some movies of their choice with them, play some board games, but I would say do all of this very carefully, because they are at home and the only source for them to catch the infection could be you. So whenever you're going to them, please maintain physical distancing, have a good bath, wear clean clothes, always use a mouth mask when you're around them, but do spend time with them. I'm sure they are going to love this. This is a very good time to start focusing on their nutritional needs, because with age changes the body and changes its requirements. So first of all, I would like to tell you that you have to focus on keeping them hydrated. They tend to lose a lot of water, so give them plenty of juices, soups, obviously fresh water. Coconut water is a very good choice. You can give them coconut water as well. Then apart from hydration, I would say many of them would be suffering from heart related conditions or kidney problems. So there's a certain diet which would work better for them. So you all must go to your doctor and dietitian and get a chart formulated for them so that it works better. Then apart from this, give them regular source of fresh fruits and vegetables, and do add fibers to their diet, as that promotes the bowel movement. And apart from this, I would say mostly all of them would be requiring calcium, vitamin D and magnesium supplements. So do talk to your doctor and start giving them that. Also omega-3 is very important for them. You could also give them that in supplemental form. Just ask your doctor and start doing that. You could also increase the potassium content in their diet. That is found in banana, spinach. So all of that you can give them, as potassium is known to strengthen the muscles of the body, and also the blood pressure monitoring is done by that. So that would help. Apart from this, ask them to do regular exercise, meditate and do deep breathing. Also, the most important thing for now is show them your love and concern. That is the most they require. So start today. Lots of love, lots of care. Thanks. Namaste.